All right, let's look at clock number 1. What time is shown on this clock? Get ready. Yes, 7 o'clock. Now, we need to write that in digital form. So we would write that with a 7, 0, 0. All right. And how would we write that using words? We would write it like this. 7 o'clock. Okay? All right, let's look at clock number 2. What time is shown on this clock? Think about it. Get ready. Yes, it is 7:15. Okay, we could also call it something else. Instead of saying 7:15, what else could we say? Get ready. Yes, a quarter after 7. Okay. And so to write that in words, we would either write quarter past 7, or we could write quarter after 7.